Welcome back. Happy New Year's. About to do some bacon, egg, potato tacos. Let's get it. That's where we at. Let's get this bacon, potatoes started. Potatoes. Thanksgiving breakfast. Let's let that bacon fat cook these potatoes down. Adding a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, black pepper. It's almost where I need it. Let's get these potatoes done. Got that bacon right. Potatoes. Let's get these eggs started. Let's get these eggs started. Salt, black pepper, garlic. Flip over. Just get these eggs off. Let's get this plated up. Let's get these eggs in there. Potatoes. Let's get some homemade salsa. Something quick. You already know. Stay in motion. Much love. Yeah.